Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano X. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Power it on and follow the on-screen instructions to set a secure PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits. The most critical step is to carefully write down your unique 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key, so store it in a very safe and private place, as it is essential for recovering your funds. Once your device is initialized, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Open Ledger Live, connect your Nano X, and then install the specific cryptocurrency applications you wish to manage, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To receive funds, select the relevant account in Ledger Live and click Receive. A new receiving address will be generated. It is crucial to always verify this address directly on your Ledger Nano X screen before confirming, ensuring it matches the one displayed in Ledger Live. To send cryptocurrency, open Ledger Live and navigate to the account you wish to use, then click Send. Carefully enter the recipient's address and the precise amount of cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. Before proceeding, thoroughly review all transaction details, including the amount, recipient address, and network fees, directly on your Ledger Nano X device screen. This verification step is vital. Finally, confirm the transaction on your device by pressing both buttons simultaneously, authorizing the transfer securely. For maximum security, never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. It is your sole responsibility. Regularly update your Ledger Nano X firmware using Ledger Live to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Consider backing up your recovery phrase in more than one secure, offline location. Finally, always make it a habit to meticulously double-check all transaction details on your Ledger Nano X screen before confirming any send, ensuring accuracy and preventing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.